We designed the Adhesive MoonAnchors for anyone looking for a semi-permanent mounting solution. In this short video, we're going to go over the Adhesive MoonAnchors in detail, when to use it, and how to mount it on your vehicle.
These securely mount to any reasonably flat and dry surface, even textured fiberglass. They are super sticky, 3M, VHB backed, and require a 3-inch surface space to mount.
If you're utilizing the Adhesive Anchors on a vehicle longer than 7 feet, where the strut pull is not needed, make sure to use the shade as a guide to place the second anchor to ensure that the distance is either 7 feet or 9 feet apart. On a vehicle shorter than 7 feet, where the strut pull is needed, you will want to place the two adhesives as far apart as possible that still allow the strut pull to lay flat across the two anchors.
The materials you need to mount the adhesive anchors are alcohol, a removable marker like an Expo, and a towel or rag.
For best installation, mount these on a warm day where precipitation is not in the forecast. Clean the area you want to mount the adhesives with isopropyl alcohol or glass cleaner.
Clip one adhesive anchor to the carabiner on the underside of the moonshade top.
Position the first anchor while attach the carabiner on the underside of the moonshade.
Use a marker to mark where you want to adhere the first adhesive.
Remove the VHB backing and press the adhesive firmly into place.
Make sure that the puck is positioned with the eyelet facing the direction that you desire. This is usually toward the edge of the vehicle.
Repeat the same process for the second adhesive anchor. Wait 24 to 48 hours before formally mounting the moonshade to the anchors to allow the adhesive to reach full strength.
These adhesive moon anchors have a low profile, so you can leave them on your car after packing away the shade.
The materials needed to remove the adhesive moon anchors are a plastic putty knife and a paint-safe adhesive remover, like Glue Gun.
To remove, use the putty knife to carefully lift the anchor from the surface. Work your way around the anchor until it is fully removed.
After the anchor is removed, use paint-safe adhesive remover to remove any remaining residue.
To reuse your adhesive anchor, you can peel the old 3M VHB backing from the puck and place a new VHB sticky to the bottom, and your adhesive anchors are now ready to be able to mount to a new anchor point.
That's everything you need to know about using our Adhesive MoonAnchors. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to our customer support team at support@moonfab.com. Thank you for watching.